In this very brief tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to save resources that you find and create your own collection. So very quickly, if you're finding resources either through the teaching resources by grade level or subject area, or through the distance learning page, what you're going to do is find a resource that you like. So let's say I go here and I'm going to find one that I like. So let's see. How about this? This is a project that it says, present a climate change issue that affects your community. So let's say I decide I want to use this one, and I go in and I find other, different pieces that are connected to it, and I like it. So I'm going to want to come back to it later. I'm going to go over here where it says save, and there's a little bookmark, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to save my resources. So I can do that for any of the resources that I like, and there's quite a few. And then what I do is I go to my education exchange, and I can see ones that I've recently looked at. I can look at the courses that I've either enrolled in or completed. But over here is where I will access the resources that I've favorited, that I've bookmarked. And they're all here. So this makes it really easy for you to read